All right. This is an order from Airsoft GI.
What's going on, everybody? Flying Fortress Airsoft here, and we've got a huge unboxing for you guys.
Thumbs up.
That's how you do it, Kyle.
Your face doesn't. You can't see your face.
Cool. You don't need to.
Well, maybe people like it. No.
Most of my videos, I don't show my face.
Oh, really?
All right.
Oh, we got some tactical paper.
Oh yeah, that's something
Let's
real good.
start with this over here.
Oh, who's that?
This is the. I think this is mine.
Yeah, because mine was OG.
And Kevin already got.
So we all got
Princess.
G&G's BBs.
Yeah. This is my NC Star. It's a fan magazine.
It's a fanny pack.
Pouch. Hey, you got a fanny pack also.
Well, mine is less of a fanny pack.
We got another vest here.
That one might be. Oh yeah, this is mine.
This is Serbsky. I really don't like that nickname.
Because I'm Serbian.
I think you're Russian.
No,
okay,
I'm not.
Show that off.
Okay. You forgot the other one, but.
Right, this is the NC Star M4
Chest rig.
chest rig. It's got. Oh, that's the first thing I noticed. Is the inside.
Oh,
That'll be
like
good.
this. Okay, there we
And
go.
then mag pouches. Those
There
are
are
only single mag pouches.
no, they're double. 3 double mag.
All right.
I mean 6 double mag pouches.
6 single. Okay. Next thing we got here is we got some silicone oil, firepower.
Oh, that's mine.
That's this. A whole bunch of Airsoft 101s. Then we got not 1 bag, 2 bags, not 3 bags. Where's the other?
Well, mine is bottom.
But 4 containers of BBs. This is Princess's vest. Let's see.
Yeah,
Is the same vest?
oh yeah, yeah.
I think it's only I think it's 6 single mag pouches.
No, it's supposed to be double. Like that's what they said.
And then it's got a hydration carrier on the back. So this one's tan, the other one's OD.
Oh, you're supposed to fit them in here. Oh,
Okay. We've got a G&G metal M4 flash hider. That's for
Princess.
Yeah.
Well, no.
Then we got
Scope mount.
some UTG low profile scope mounts. That's for a flashlight that Princess wants also. We've got a 363 millimeter precision type bore inner barrel, also for Princess. We've got a box set of 5 King Arms magazines for Princess.
Oh, I have 5 the other ones.
Plastic, yeah. Same as the mags.
Oh yeah, they were mags.
So, 5 King Arms, a box set. And then, give me the little box down. Got some Bravo tactical goggles. And
For Mr. Cheez-It.
10. Okay. These are the Bravo
Chinese New Year was
10
over the weekend, so you owe me.
goggles.
I got you. I got you.
Yeah, that's something you can switch them out with or something.
Some
or maybe that's actually the
thermal glass goggles.
Yeah,
thermal lenses. Let's try to take this out.
and
That
that.
showed up.
Oh yeah, there.
There it is.
Okay.
And there they are. Oh, these are actually pretty nice.
They are. It's the Bravo.
Bravo. Yeah.
And they're only $25.
25 bucks. There's salt. GI, you can take those. And then Oh, another Bravo thing. And we got a gun. The Bravo.
M3
Shotgun.
shotgun.
Let's open it up.
It's already half open. That's the only one that's still in.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Which one? You want me to
yeah.
open it up?
Oh, that's so nice.
Oh, this is
Oh,
pretty
yeah.
nice.